Hello, 7th graders. Welcome back to our virtual instructions. I am Rina Michelle Santiago, your virtual teacher for this week.
For this week's lesson, we will be discussing about Introduction to Sets. This is anchored on our most essential learning competency, illustrating well-defined sets, subsets, universal sets, null set, cardinality of sets, union and intersection of sets, and the difference of two sets. Let us begin our discussion by defining the term set. Set is a well-defined group of objects called elements that share a common characteristic. Halimbawa, the group of objects na ito, we know that they share a common characteristic. And this is a set of clothes that we wear. Another example, in this group of objects that we see, we know that they share a common characteristic as a set of perfume. Another example, in this group of objects, we know that they share a common characteristic as this shows a set of fruits. We say that a set is well defined if there is no ambiguity as to whether or not an object belongs to it, meaning we can always tell what is and what is not a member of the set. For instance, these elements, television, washing machine, and radio, we know that this set description is a set of appliances. Another example, English, mathematics, Filipino, and science. We know that this is a set of subjects in school. Last example, a triangle, square, and rectangle. We say that this shows a set of shapes. Let us try representing set description. For example, the set of days in a week. These are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Another, the set of counting numbers less than 6. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another example, the set of vowels in the English alphabet. These are A, E, I, O, and U. Next, let us define the term element. In a set, it refers to the members or any distinct objects that make up the set. For instance, in this group of objects, we could say that this is a set of items that we wear. And in this set, the elements are hat, jacket, and shirt. Another example. In this figure, the set shows the set of fingers. And let us just look at the fingers that are enclosed on our bracket. The elements are index, middle, ring, and pinky. This time, let us define the term empty or null set. We say that a set is an empty or a null set if the set has no members or element. The null set is a set that does not contain anything. It is denoted by this symbol for empty set and this symbol for null set. For example, set A has the set of triangles with 4 sides. At alam naman natin that all triangles has 3 sides, and there's no triangle that has 4 sides. Therefore, this is an example of an empty or null set. Another in set B, the set of months in a year that starts with letter B. And we all know that there is no month in a year that starts with letter B. Therefore, we say that these two sets are empty or null set. Now, let us discuss on the cardinality of a set. Cardinality of a set is the number of elements contained in a set. It is denoted by the symbol n. Cardinality of set A is written as this way. For example, let us find the cardinality of set B, having the elements 1, 2, and 4. Note that when we are talking about the cardinality of a set, we are after the number of elements. So as we can see here, there are 3 elements for set B. So The cardinality of the set is 3 since it has 3 elements, and it will be written as this way, and read as the cardinality of set B is equal to 3. Example number 2. Set C having the elements A, B, D, F, and G. So again, to find the cardinality of this set, we are after the number of elements. And as we can see here, the cardinality of the set is 5 since it has 5 elements. It could be written in symbols like this and be read as the cardinality of set C is equal to 5. Ngayon naman, talakayin natin kung paano sagutin ang activity number 1 entitled Description of Sets. For this activity, we will determine the set description of given well-defined sets. For instance, we have the set Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. These well-defined sets is set description of 3 major islands in the Philippines. Example number 2, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This well-defined sets has a set description of the set of colors in the rainbow. Example number 3, Urdaneta City, Dagupan City, San Carlos City, and Alamino City. This well-defined sets has a set description of set of cities in Pangasinan. Ngayon naman, talakayin natin kung paano sagutin ang set B ng activity number 1. This time, we will identify or determine the set representing each set description. For example, the set of vowels in the English alphabet. These are A, E, I, O, and U. Example number 2, the set of counting numbers less than 6. This set could be represented by 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Example number 3, the set of even numbers less than 10. This set could be described or represented by 2, 4, 6, and 8.
Watching guys, this is your teacher Rina Michelle Santiago and saying please tune in for your next virtual instructions. If you have questions, queries, and some concerns, do not hesitate to ask your mathematics teachers. Bye guys, God bless.